Hi everyone, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Brigy. Last week I tried S-Curl Extra Strength Texturizer on my 4C hair for the very first time. And today I'm back with 7-day update. Did it last? Did it dry my hair out? Let's get straight into it. You're welcome. So, if you missed my last video, I applied extra strength for the very first time. My curls looked really defined on day one, and I was really shocked how quickly it worked. Here is a quick clip of that result. By now, it's been a full week, and I want to show you exactly how my hair is holding up. Alright, here is my hair after 7 days. You can see the curls are still soft, defined. I did notice there was less shigant and softer styling. But I also want to be real. I did notice that there was dryness at the hands. So overall, this is what my 4C hair looks like a week later. To keep my hair moisturized and softer, I used a few products. First, I used this leave-in conditioner to make sure my hair stayed hydrated. I used S-Curl Not Drip Curl Activator Moisturizer almost daily that really kept it soft and juicy. I also sprayed the compact Revitalizer Spray when I felt my curls needed a boost. And for styling, I used the big Poppa Gel, which really helped hold the curls in place. Firstly, I started by spraying a little bit of water just to wet my hair. Here is a quick demo of how I use them. This combination worked really well for me throughout the week. Now let's talk honestly about the extra strength compares. Compared to regular, I would say extra strength gave me longer lasting curl definition, and it also loosened more my curls, so styling was a little bit more easier. But on the downside, I did feel like it was a little bit more drying than the regular one. So if you're thinking about switching, I would say extra strength is great for hold, but you should stay on top of moisturizing. But that's my experience. I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried extra strength? Or did you stick with regular? Drop your thoughts in the comments below so we can compare results. I would love hearing your story. So that is my 7-day update after using S-Curl Extra Strength on my 4C hair. Overall, I'm impressed with the results, but there are definitely some things you need to watch out for. So if you want to see how I style my texturized hair, make sure you hit subscribe, comment below, and share with your friends because that video is coming up next. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.